So let us start by assessing your productivity as of now, because we all feel that we are giving our 100%, right? If someone asks, are you giving your 100%? We always say, yes, I am giving my 100%, right? So as per us, we assess ourselves as 100% productive. But still, many times we are not able to achieve what we want, right? So let me start by assessing how productive you are. So I'll share my screen, and on my screen I will flash some statements. You can take out your mobiles and you can start adding your score, and in the end you can type the total score and we will evaluate where you stand in terms of productivity. This is a productivity self assessment. So you have to give yourself a score on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being always, 5 being never. And there will be 15 questions. You have to keep on adding your score, right? So to start with, the first statement is, I waste a lot of time looking for things I need. If you rate yourself as always, give yourself 1. If it is never, 5, and somewhere in the between, 2, 3, 4. And you can keep on adding your score. I waste too much time looking for electronic information, that is social media addiction. I do a lot of research on social media. Next, I do not delegate as much as I should. 5 if it is never, 1 if it is always. Next, I sleep for less than 7 hours a day. I do not organize my work area regularly. So work area is where you work. It can be even your kitchen as well. It can be a work desk. It can be anywhere. So you have to assess yourself. It is very difficult for me to manage interruptions, so I easily get distracted. 1 if always, 5 if never. I do not use my time or task manager like calendar, Outlook, etc. effectively. Keep on rating yourself and adding the score. 8. It is very difficult for me to say no. I do not have a system for managing projects and work in progress. I struggle using technology effectively, so I generally believe in writing, maintaining a diary instead of using technology. 5 if never, 1 if always, 3 if sometimes. I feel unproductive working in my office. You have to assess yourself. I feel there is never enough time. So 24 hours seems very less. I do not always follow up on important items on time. And the last, it is difficult for me to accept any mistake in the work I delegate. So even if I delegate and someone makes mistake, it's really difficult for me to accept because I want to be in control. So please start typing your total score in the chat box. Let us see where everybody lands. Great. Okay. So let me share how to assess your score. If your score is somewhere between 60 to 65, you are a superstar because you can help someone else get organized. If your score is somewhere 45 to 59, you are on the right track and keep improving your focus. 26 to 44, you are probably wasting a lot of time. Pick one area and focus on being more efficient. Don't be afraid to ask for help. 15 to 25, then you are in this category, then please don't lose hope. It's not hopeless, but you do need to make getting organized a priority in your life. So yes, if not till now, then today, please start taking it seriously.